So this cordless hoover, somebody was throwing it out. It was on the street, was no longer working. So, first steps, I took the battery out. And in here there's a plus and minus connection. So I rigged up a 12 volt supply, although this 22 volt, doesn't matter. I rigged up to 12 volt and the motor spun and the hoover worked. So therefore, it could be the battery. So, I ordered a new battery pack for 20 quid, but then it didn't start, it didn't work. So this little micro switch on the on off switch. And also, first of all, I bought a charger because it didn't have a charger, so I tried to charge the old battery, but it was no longer chargeable. So this is a new one. So I put that in, bought a charger for it. So that cost me 30 quid. But this switch, I figure this is why it's not working. So, on these connections here, cross, short these two out to bridge it and see if it works. So, it's the switch. So I've got this little micro switch, which is a little bigger than this micro switch. But if I connect this up and solder it to those two wires, and attach them together. Fixed.